welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and welcome back for another Motivational Monday. And today we're going to be talking about staying organized for school. So I don't consider myself as the most organized person, but one tip I do have is having a calendar. It's big and I can just see it easily, so if I'm rushing and I don't know what special I'm going to have, I can just have a quick glance and go out with my day. It actually helps me to pick what clothes I'm going to wear, and it just tells me what's coming up and what I have going on right now. Another tip I have is using dividers for your note cards. Using dividers actually helps you a lot because if you just have all your notes jumbled together, you don't know if they're for the right subject or for the right class. So just use dividers and they help a lot, trust me. Just how you want to divide your note cards, you want to divide your actual notes. And getting one big notebook is super great instead of getting like 5 little ones. And I'll get a notebook that has dividers because then you have a divider for each class and it's just nice and tidy and you have more room in your backpack. The next thing you would need is a planner. Planners are so helpful just to mark down your homework and everything you're going to do during the week for school. And for this, I have pages that I already did. Like this page, I did this page for school, and this is all my homework I had to do, and I actually cross stuff off for what I already did so I don't get scared in the mornings like, did I do it? Another tip is to have colorful folders for classes or subjects. I use the yellow folder for math, and you could also have, for the inside, you could have one side for classwork and one side for homework, just so you can know what you're going to do. So the last tip I have is to keep your backpack, locker, or desk really organized for you. There's no wrong or right way to organize your desk, but you have to have it in a way where you know where everything is and so nothing gets lost and it's easy for you to just grab. So those were all my tips that help me stay organized. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Motivational Monday! Wait, I did it wrong. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Love you!